Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Droid Therapy. So this arrived today and let's unbox it and see what's inside it.
Moving slowly.
This is a copper LED string lights from Paytm. And unboxing the package, we just have a very poorly packed LED lights. It's almost 2 meters in length and has 20 LEDs in it. The battery case is made up of plastic and can be easily damaged. It requires 3 AA batteries to power the LEDs. The LEDs are quite bright and looks good. You can get this on Paytm for about 299 rupees or for 99 rupees if you have the once a month offer. The link to the product will be in the description below. And that's it guys. If you like my video, give us a thumbs up, and if you're new to our channel, please subscribe and tap on the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.
Finally realize how